Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this look. So this look is very similar to the look which I did in the review video of Makeup Revolution Tropical Paradise palette. So makeup is almost same, but obviously the hair and the clothes are different. So in that video, I guess I did a sleek ponytail. Yeah, I did a sleek ponytail, which was a very easy hairstyle. And here also I've just clutched my little bit of hair at the back. So this is also very easy. So if you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. So here I'm starting with a moisturizer. This is Pond's Super Light Moisturizer. This is a really good moisturizer for oily skin. So I'm just taking a little bit of the product and applying it all over my face as well as my neck. After applying moisturizer, I am using a lip balm. This is Himalaya lip balm. As I always say, it is very important to apply lip balm no matter what kind of lipstick you are using. It gives a really nice base to your lips and your lipstick just looks flawless. For primer, I am using this Blue Heaven Studio Perfection primer. It is also very important to apply a primer before applying layers of makeup to our face because it just fills in our pores and gives a smooth base for applying our makeup. And I'm applying it on my T-zones, my forehead and my chin and just blending it outwards. So after applying a primer, I'll be doing my eye makeup first. I am taking a concealer. This is Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm applying it all over my eyelid and I'll blend it with my beauty blender. So मैं एक glittery eye makeup करने वाली हूँ. So just to ensure कि the falling glitters don't destroy my makeup, I'm doing my eye makeup first and then I'll just wipe off the glitters. So I have taken this Makeup Revolution palette. I'll be mentioning the links of all the products down in the description box. So I have taken an eyeshadow brush, a brown shade, and I'll be applying it all over my eyelid to give it a beautiful brown color. And then I've just taken a fluffy brush and I'm blending my eyeshadow so it looks completely even on both eyelids. Then I'm taking a flat brush. I am applying this peachy shade. This is one of my favorite shade from this palette. Actually the brown one is equally favorite. So I'm applying this on my crease to give my crease a lighter shade. Then again I'm taking a clean fluffy brush and I'll just blend both the colors. Then I'm using this Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful palette. It has all the beautiful glittery shades. I'm using this brown glittery shade today. So I'm just applying it with my fingers because I feel that the application of glitter eyeshadow is better with your fingers. So I'm not using a brush over here. And then again I have taken a clean fluffy brush and I have just blended all the three colors. Don't forget to take a clean brush all the time you blend each color. And then I'm taking a small flat brush. I'm using the same brown and peachy shade for my under eyes. I'll be applying brown color first and then I'll just mix the peach color with it. So I'm done with my eyeshadow. For eyeliner, I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Bold Eyeliner. I won't be applying a very thick eyeliner, I'll just be applying a thin one, but I'll add a wing to it. So yeah, I'm done with my eyeliner. For foundation, I'm using this Sugar Ace of Face foundation. It is a stick foundation and it comes with a brush, so I won't be using a beauty blender for blending my foundation. I'll be using the same brush that comes with it. So this is a really nice brush. It kind of does its job pretty well. After foundation, I'm using the same Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. I'll apply this and then I'll blend it with my beauty blender. Okay, one thing which is important, whether you are blending your concealer or your foundation, you need to use a damp beauty blender. Don't use a dry beauty blender, it won't do its job perfectly. Always use a damp beauty blender. So now I'm taking the same brown shade from the same palette and I'm just bronzing up my face. I don't like to contour my face because I feel that my face is already quite small and there is no need of it. So yeah, I just like to bronze up my face. Now I'm taking a clean fluffy brush and I'm just removing the excess. Okay, so this is what I do when I feel that I have applied a lot of bronzer. So yeah, I'm just cleaning off the excess. Okay, next I'm using the same peachy shade as my blush. So you can see how you can use one palette for so many things. I've used it as my bronzer, my blush, my eyeshadow. You can always go for such multi-purpose palettes. It just saves your money and this color works amazingly as a blush. That's the reason I said I love this shade. Both the shades peach and brown from this palette are my favorite. Okay, I'm done with my bronzer, my blush. Now with the same brown shade, I'll just be contouring my nose a little bit. I'll just be giving a little bit shape to my nose and that's it. I'm almost done with my makeup. Now my most favorite part, which is highlighter. This is a highlighter from Sugar and it is a stick highlighter. I'll be applying it on my cheekbones, my nose and little bit on my upper lips. I'll just blend it with my fingers. I don't like to use any kind of brush for my highlighters, especially for stick highlighters. I like to just dab it on my cheekbones and kind of blend it on my nose and my upper lips. Now I'm using a compact. This is Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact. I'll be applying it only on the areas where I get sweaty, like my T-zone, my forehead and all. I won't be applying it on my highlighter or my blush because it makes the makeup matte, so I don't need it there. So I'll be applying it only where I get oily to just set my makeup. For lipstick, I'm using this Sugar Smudge Me Not lipstick. I had already prepped up my lips, so I'll just be going with the lipstick. Okay, so the last thing that I'm using is this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I just love mascaras and I can't live without applying them. But I don't apply makeup when I am at home. I just like to give rest to my face, so I can't step out without applying a mascara. It just lifts up my face even when I'm applying no makeup, so I just love it. So I'm done with my makeup. I'll just go quickly change and come back. So guys, that was it for today's makeup tutorial. Do tell me in the comment section below, did you like the look or not? And guys, I don't follow any hard and fast rule in doing makeup, like everything has to be step by step. No, I don't do that. Like, it doesn't happens with me. I simply forget something and then I do it at last. So you can do any which way you want. The most important thing is that your makeup should come out good at the end. So I hope you found my video helpful. If so, don't forget to hit the like button, share my video as much as possible, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.